If we go ahead and shift over to BTC, you can see that this weekly low is also due 722 to 826. This is very likely when the monthly low would also form. So this does imply that we would watch for, again, this final pullback, which could be sharp, we'll see, to then lead to a sizable impulse higher here, not unreasonable over time to see a move through 74K in BTC once this trough forms, given where this market is on its monthly cycle, which is in a corrective period. Once that trough forms and we see the monthly flows turn up in addition to the weekly flows, that should lead to a decent impulse higher in BTC and certainly worth keeping on the radar. Jump over to the daily chart. Now, the daily chart is clearly still bearish. You're seeing, if you look at these minor cycles, let's just follow this. A bullish cycle was forming here. We had a test of highs here. You see that? Perfect. And then trouble started. We had a breakdown right there on 613. So then we're watching that cycle turn down. And now this is a bearish cycle. So we have the dominant energy now turning down, given that we have a minor cycle breakdown. Keep in mind, all of this is clearly walked through in Slim's cycle workshop. Again, hours and hours of content that Slim did on his own based on his now 50 years of work. So certainly worth, taking that workshop, not just watching our videos, take the workshop, understand the overall fundamentals, and then use these videos to help to support that knowledge building. That is really what I did and what I would ask all of you to also do. Very, very important, as it always helps to reinforce concepts and will give you that core opportunity to learn the fundamentals first before jumping into any application of those fundamentals. Just like any other thing that we have to learn, it's all, we are always taught in school first before we go to our job. Same thing here. So right now in BTC, we are watching for this uptick here into this zone 61,445 to 66,402 or so. Watching for that to fail and to see another bearish cycle form on that minor cycle into that next trough. That next trough is due right around 813 here in BTC, and that will likely also carry the monthly low and set up for a decent pop higher that may over time lead to new all-time highs in Bitcoin. Okay, so that is our look here at BTC on both the intermediate term and short term.